This video is sponsored by Anymaka. Oh my gosh. Alright, sending it. I think at this point, if I'm smart, I should be turning around. This is not looking good. Double dips and also huge rocks. And I don't know how many more of these are gonna show up later on. This is probably the furthest I can push my car. And it's not looking good. Thankfully, there is a spot that I've been to just down the trail, which is a little bit easier to get to. And I think that's what I would do. Yep. What's up guys, welcome back to Mount Woodside. You've been here, I've been here. I have a really exciting product that I want to show you guys. I usually rarely do any sponsored content. If I do anything, it is adventure related. Check this out. This might just be the perfect hammock stand ever created. The setup time is literally 3 seconds. Let me show you guys again. Ta-da! The tolerance of these are so well designed and it's so smooth. So you got all of these notches that you can adjust the hammock. I'm gonna just put it a little bit tighter and then it just snaps in place. Oh, nice. Look at the sunset. So with this hammock stand from Anymaka, you have two options. There is the lounge mode, which is currently set up like this, and they have also the chair mode. Let me show you guys. You can just simply adjust these lower, and then there's another one over here. And then you just need to readjust the hammock distance. I am just gonna bring it all the way down here. So the whole setup right now is a little bit closer together, which allows you to sit comfortably. You can have two people here if you have friends over. I don't. It's just myself today. And it's also super light. This whole thing only weighs about 20 pounds. Feels like nothing. We are making a one-pot pasta with ground beef tonight. We also have some broccoli. I'll put these in there just to let them cook for a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I am really liking the hammock stand. No joke. I just need to find more space to carry this in my car now. I think I should be able to make it work. I can probably just keep it back here. It might just be annoying to move it around when I need to sleep. You know, I just wish that I have a Rivian R1T. This package would fit perfectly in the gear tunnel. Oh my god, look at the moon. Is it rising or is it setting? I'm not sure. I'll find out in 5 minutes. I can confirm the moon is rising. It's getting higher.